So I saw your question on the discussion board. You say page question 58 on page 516 textbook. Use the full method to find the products. Practice combining the outer and inner terms mentally. So the full method is just a shortcut to using distributive property twice specifically for multiplying binomials, which we have here. Here in the first parentheses we got a minus b. Second parentheses we have 2a minus 5b. The word full is a mnemonic device. F stands for multiplying the first terms. O stands for multiplying the outer terms. I stands for inner, and L stands for last. So you multiply the first terms here, a times 2a, and you get this 2a squared. If I go ahead and do the last terms, you minus b and a minus 5b, that product gives you 5b squared. So now we get to the inner and the outer part, which they specifically mentioned. Here's the outer part, a times minus 5b, that's going to give you this minus 5a, and then minus b times 2a, that's going to give you the minus 2ab. Then you combine these, minus 5 and minus 2, that's a minus 7ab. I guess they're wanting you to do this, try to do this in your head. You see, you got minus 2 of them there, you get another minus 5. That gives you a total of minus 7 of them, ABs. So they want you to, try and do that in your head. It's okay to write it out. Hope this helps.